So out of 6 steps, we have completed first 2 steps, providing engineering data and creating a geometry. Now let's go to mechanical and do the meshing part. Right click on model and we'll say edit. So it will open a mechanical interface. It will take some time. It's cold here, it's raining outside. It's very cold weather here. So ANSYS mechanical is open. If you can't see this kind of a layout, just go to the home and say reset layout. So that will reset your full layout. Now we'll click on geometry. We'll click on beam. So its material assignment is proper. It's a structural steel. We'll go to the meshing, and if you remember that in problem statement it stated that we have to mesh it using single linear element. So let's change the element order from program controlled to linear, and let's give right click and we'll say sizing, insert sizing. We'll select this geometry. Make sure you are there in edge selection filter and apply. So under the type, we'll change it to number of divisions and we'll say 1 number of divisions. So only one single element will be meshed. Right click and we'll say generate the mesh. So meshing is done. The next part is to provide support and boundary condition. So if we'll click on a model and we'll click on analysis setting, here you can see that maximum modes to be found is 6, right? You can increase it to 10 or whatever number you want. Number of modes is basically based on participation factor that we're going to see in little bit time. So we'll click on analysis setting. We'll change the maximum modes to find is 10. We'll apply the boundary condition. We'll go to the environment. We'll go to the vertex selection filter. We'll select this vertex and we'll say fixed. Now if you'll notice here, there is no force, movement or pressure. So those loading you cannot apply because it's free vibration problem, right? So not force vibration. But yes, you can do the pre-stress analysis. Pre-stress is none here. So there is no stress on this bar right now. So fixed support is applied. And let's just solve it. We'll click F5 or you can press solve button here. So it's building a mathematical model and expanding a model solution. So it's completed the model analysis part. Next we will see how to do post processing.